Hey mate, just want to show you this bot that I've made you. When you open the application, there'll be two folders that will get created when you open it. Twitter scraped follow, which are the scraped followers, and the ones that have been followed will end up in here to unfollow. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the account details tab. I've got a test account here. Username, password, and this is this account here. Let's refresh it up. So you select your thread count. I'll do 20. It's socket based, so we don't use a browser, so we don't use much RAM and stuff. Select your category and just click search. Let it do its thing. Yeah, this update stats button here, I'll tell you this while it's doing its thing. This update stats button, it'll load the files and tell you what's in the files here. You shouldn't have to mess with the files really, everything's managed within the bot, it'll do it automatically for you. So let that finish. Right, so we've got that's complete. Now we can click this, start scraping the followers from the IDs that we've got from the Indigo site. So I'm just going to log into the account, this one. It's going to scrape them. Should have a file in here now. Yeah. Don't open the files while it's trying to save to them and read them, because it might mess things up. But yeah, it'll go through and it'll save, because ubot uses a lot of RAM. It'll save when the text file gets to 1,000. It'll save a new file. It'll just keep doing that. Right, so it's created a new one because it got to 1,000. I'll stop that just for tutorial. Now you can set your delay. So if we update this now, we've got total and list to follow 1,000 whatever. You can set your delay between the following people. I'll just set it to 0 just to show you it's working. And then the amount you want to follow. When it hits its limit, it'll tell you. It'll stop the script and then it'll give you a warning saying that it's hit its limit. Yeah, and just start following. That's pretty much it. So we'll log back into the account. Load in the user page, get the ID, and then it'll follow the users. Forward 2, 3. So now it's followed the users. If we updated the stats now, it'll show that it's created a new file in the users to unfollow text file, and then when you followed a few users and then you want to wait a few days, you said, open the bot back up. You can check how many you've got to unfollow here, and then just start unfollowing them, and it will read the files from the last created file. So it's like, yeah, so it's the last file. And then it'll delete the file once it's used all the followers inside it. So if we refresh this account now, should hopefully. We're on 62. Got a bit of a bad connection here. Yeah, 76. We'll stop the script there. That's stopped. It might take a while to stop sometimes. It's a bit buggy U-bot. So if we update them, we've got list to follow, to unfollow 17. So refresh that. Well, I don't need to do that. Yeah, and just start unfollowing. And then you can set your limit here if you want the bot to stop when it's unfollowed so many or when it's followed so many. So it should unfollow them all. We'll wait till it gets to 17. It will be faster than this, I think, but really you want to put a delay between. So it's loaded, it's deleted the list, and then it's tried to load a new file because we've set this to unfollow 1,000, but obviously there's no file there because it's just deleted it because it's finished. And then we update that and there's 0. Yeah, that's it, I think, really. Hope you like it. Yeah, it's back down to 64. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.